Hi folks, this is the last Friday of the last day of one crazy school year, so welcome to it. First and foremost, thank you all for a great year. I'm never going to forget it because even though it was hard, I know you did amazing work and you learned a lot. And I wouldn't want to have this year with anyone other than you guys. So thank you very much for going on this journey together. We launched rockets, we examined cells, we went sledding, we explored natures, we made a mess with DNA. We had a really good time, or I did, so thank you. And so thank you for a great year. You have one final assignment. Write a thank you note in Google Classroom to someone else in your class. You'll be able to see each other's notes and even respond. And finally, have a wonderful, wonderful summer. I'll see you in September.